a system unit is kept over here. Today we are going to unscrew this.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody say.
After unscrewing, let's pull this.
What is it?
SMPS is there and a system unit is attached here.
ओ भाई ये क्या है?
Motherboard, SMPS, the power unit, hard disk, the storage unit. I am going to explain this motherboard. In this motherboard, we can see here a cable is being connected that we called as SATA cable. Here is a fan with a heatsink that manages cooling for the processor. Here is a RAM, random access memory, that holds a memory temporarily. Here we can see a CMOS, complementary metallic oxide semiconductor, and here are some ports. Now we are going to assemble this. For this, we need to unlock this fan. In some of the fans, you can see there, it is connected with screws, but here we can see a certain kind of lock is there. So we need to unlock this lock at first. For unlocking this lock, we need to see over these arrows.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
Change this direction first. After we change the direction, we will just pull it up.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Don't do it in hurry because the pin may break. Do it slowly. After pulling this up, you can see this, it is easily coming out. This is what we call a random access memory. You can see a processor is being fixed and a heatsink paste is over here. We need to pull this. After we unlock, we can see a processor is easily pulled out. This is what we call processor. Now this is what our SATA cable. What it does, it is used for transferring data. In our hard disk, we can see a connector. One is for our connection through this SMPS and one is through our this SATA cable. In new devices, we can find it for SATA cable. Okay. Here is the CMOS that provides a power to our cooling fan. This is our heatsink. Here is the PCI slot where we can attach our sound cards. We can attach our graphic cards. There are some ports. Here you can see a VGA connector is here. In olden days, we need to connect our printers from here. Nowadays, we are just connecting it to a USB port. Here is a Ethernet port from where the network is being connected. There are some audio in and audio output ports are there for VGA for connecting the monitors. So that's what are the key components of our motherboard.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.
ठोक लीजिए, 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए.